So why is content writing important? And going forward in your career and finishing up your MBA, why is content writing important? Okay, the thing is because you become an expert. When you read, if you read something in a book by somebody, automatically you're thinking of them as an expert in their field. Okay, and that's really powerful. Because when someone's an expert at something, what they say is credible. I mean, if I turn around and I say to you, if I have a chapter in my book about leadership, and I turn around and say to you, do you know what? One of the key characteristics of leadership is that leaders always listen. I know this because I've written a book about it. So it positions you as an expert in your field. That makes sense? So it's all about the perception and broadening in your perception. You know why we spoke about broadening perceptions earlier on? No, we spoke about other stuff that can broaden your perception in. But today, we're going to focus on the content. So, create value. Over the next while, see, we talked about content writing, but this lecture, this seminar, this workshop, whatever you want to call it, conference, whatever label, I'm comfortable with any label you want to call it, is about content writing. But it's also about creating content. And we're creating the content with you folks here today, okay, in such a way that we're going to immerse you. Everybody got a LinkedIn profile?
Yes.
Yeah? Good. We're going to push the boundary there with that a little bit today, which is good. So, create value. And what I mean by create value is that, so you come here today, and I stand here and I talk. And hopefully that the value that I create is that you learn something. Maybe you will, maybe you won't. Who knows? I hope you do learn something. So that's me creating value through my content with you folks. Mm-hmm. If you read the book, hopefully it creates value. Now value can be defined in many different ways. Okay? If I give you a good laugh, and you're laughing, that's value. Because the endorphins are going, all kinds of stuff. And when me and Grace dance salsa, that's value. So it gives you an opportunity to express your ideas. So who here has an idea about something that they're passionate about? Maybe it's the environment. We had one girl who was here, she's from Brazil as well, and she's an environmental scientist. So her real passion lies in the environment and saving the oceans and using less plastic and all this kind of wonderful, wonderful stuff. So you have to always remember that content writing, and like you with your platform back in Brazil, this gives you the opportunity to express your ideas. So if you're really passionate about something, you can put that into a piece of content. So if you're really passionate about, everybody know the book 50 Shades of Grey? Yes. We all know what she was really passionate about. And that book gave her the chance to express her ideas about certain things that she was passionate about. You too have that same opportunity with content writing. What your ideas are is your own business. It's a marketable skill. As we said earlier, you go to an interview or you go to whatever, and they say, you don't have experience, you don't have this, you don't have that. You turn around and say, this is what I do have. And if you have right content and you have content on your LinkedIn, it's a marketable skill. So you can sit in that interview and you can express those ideas and you can express that. It's a marketable skill. So you can use that to market yourself as something you have when you're going for pursuing your career, job interview, whatever that is. Make sense? Mm-hmm. Perfect. It builds your personal brand. Okay. What do I mean by personal brand? Have you had the personal brand workshop yet? Or no? Let me see the schedule.
The personal? Ah, yeah. The first. Yeah, sorry.
Oh, have you had it? No. Oh, we see who's listening here now and paying attention. Next week Rodrigo will be here and he'll be doing his magic tricks and he'll be like, have you had the content writing workshop? You'll be like, no. So it...
Sorry.
No, yeah. Cool. So, yeah, we could chit-chat. No problem. Dicey's, yeah. So, you can build your personal brand. So what's my personal brand? Okay, so my personal brand is real estate, author, speaker. So that personal brand becomes relative to me. So if you put content out there, that's what you become known for. The lady who wrote the book, 50 Shades of Grey, we know what she is known for, okay? Different people, we know what their personal brand is, we know what they stand for. And you can do that through content. I mean, if you're passionate about the environment, and you write articles and you post about the environment, that's what you stand for, that becomes your personal brand, that's what people associate with you. Okay, so content writing allows you to do that. That make sense?